If you need to request a refund from Cash App for a payment that has already gone through, follow these simple steps to guide you through the process. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account where the transaction was made. Step 2. Access your activity. Tap on the Activity tab, usually represented by a clock icon. This will show you a list of all your recent transactions. Step 3. Find the transaction. Scroll through your activity list to locate the payment you wish to refund. Tap on the transaction to view its details. Step 4. Request a refund. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Wait for the refund. After submitting your refund request, wait for the recipient to approve it. If they do not respond, you may need to contact Cash App support for further assistance. In conclusion, requesting a refund on Cash App is a straightforward process. Just remember to keep an eye on your transaction history and follow these steps to ensure you get your money back when needed.